So hello everyone. As we are discussing about the files, okay. So as I told you, there are two files, as we have the text files and the binary files. Now today's session we will discuss about how to opening and closing the files. So there is opening opening and closing. How to open the files and how to close the files. Opening and closing files. Okay. So as earlier, as I told you, there is a stream we are using. Okay. There is a F stream which is consisting of input and output. Okay. So when you go to create an input stream, okay, when you are going for the input stream, you must declare the stream to be in the class IF stream. Okay, that is input stream. So as you have to remember that when you create an input stream, to create input stream, so as you should remember the class, that is if stream. Okay, the class if stream is used to create your input stream. Okay, and second one, as to create output stream, for the creation of output stream we are using as if stream is used for input and off stream is used for output. So the class off stream is used for the output. So both input and output are separate. So input with the if stream, output with the off stream, and the stream that will performing both input and output. So as we are having the input and output, okay, so this operations must be declared in the class F stream. Okay, so both input and output, so as separately only for the input we are going for if stream, separately output for the stream class off stream. So both it should be consisting of input and output. Then there is a class that should be declared in the F stream. So F stream is a class which consisting of input if stream and output off stream. So for the both for the input and output, your operations, whatever the operations, must be declared. Okay, as you are having the declaration in the class, must be declared in class, that is we have F stream. So this F stream gives you both input and output. So only if you want to give the input streams, then you have to use the if stream. Only if you have to give the output stream, then you have to use the off stream. Okay. Then when going for this opening and closing, we will discuss about first opening of the files. Okay. So as opening of the files, when you go to the opening of the files, that can be used in a two ways. Okay. So opening a file. So first we will discuss about the opening, then we will discuss about the closing. Okay. So as opening a file which can be accomplished by two ways. We have two ways to opening the files. There are two ways to opening the files. That is, first one, opening a file using constructor. Opening file using constructor. That is one type of opening a file. Then second one, opening, we are talking about just opening of the files. Okay, so in the opening of the files, two ways are there. One, opening the file using constructor, then opening the file using open function, open member function, open member function. So these are the two ways to declare the opening of the files. Okay, one, opening the file using constructor, second one, opening the file using the member function open. Okay, and here when you go to the first one, that is the first method, as we are using the constructor, so this method is preferred only when the single file is used. Okay, this opening a file with the constructor, this method is performed using when it is the single file is used, when it is single file, when it is used the single file. And this opening a file with the open member function can be used with the multiple files, can be used with the multiple files. So when you want to open the multiple files with the same stream, then we can go for the second method. Okay, so these are the two ways to define the opening of the files. One, with the opening a file using constructor, and second one, opening a file using your open member function. So as your constructor you are using, then it will be used only for the single files. Okay, so if you are using the second method, that is you can open the multiple files. Okay, you can use the multiple files for opening in the same stream. In the same stream you can open multiple files. That can be done with the open member function. You have to use the open member function. Okay, now we will see one by one. First we will discuss about opening the file using constructor. Opening a file using constructor. So as you are opening, there are some syntaxes. So when you go for the input and output, so syntax for opening a file for the output purpose. Okay, there will be a syntax for opening a file. So when you are opening a file, okay, with the constructor, opening a file for the output purpose, for output purpose, there will be a syntax for creating this output purpose, and only an object of stream class. Okay, as I told you, if you are going for the output stream, we are using stream here. So when you should create the object of stream class in that constructor. Okay, using stream class, using stream class for the constructor. So what is the syntax is the syntax of this output. Okay, for the output purpose, opening the file, that is stream. Okay, we are using the output purpose. Then stream object of that, name of the object. Okay, and the file name, whatever the file name you want to go for, file name, close the bracket, give the semicolon. So this is the syntax for output purpose only, outputting the file using the class that is offstream. So offstream object, file name. So this offstream is a object of type offstream. Okay, we have the object. Okay, then this file name, which will be any valid identifier of the file, which is having the any valid identifier of the file. So if you want to write the example Okay, so of stream, we'll write the example as of stream f out, then we'll write the file name results dot dat, close the file and give the semicolon. So of stream, we'll write another example of stream f out. Okay, then we have in double quotes text dot dat, close the file, then give the semicolon. So these are the some examples written. So but it should be outputting with the off stream. Here the f out, what you written the f out here, this will be the object of off stream type opened for output purpose only. Okay, this will be f out, whatever you are using, it is the object of off stream, object of off stream. So this object of off stream is used only for output purpose only, because we are only opening the file using output here. Okay, so you have to remember this syntax for only outputting the file using constructor, that is off stream object, this is off stream object and name of the file. And same when you go to the inputting of the, as we have written the output purpose, we have to go for the input purpose also. Okay, so then if you go to the syntax for opening file for input purpose, file for the input purpose. So as I told you, if you are going for the input purpose, then you have to use the class that is if stream. Okay, so you have to use using if stream class, using if stream class, because as we are using for the input and this is for the output. So now again the syntax will be, we are using if stream because for the you are inputting the file. Okay, so if stream, then if stream object, we have if stream object as you written here off stream for the output, so you written here if stream for the input. So then again file name, close the brace, give the semicolon. This is the syntax for your as inputting the file. So same, if you write the example here, you can write if stream. Okay, if stream fin you can create, then the file name that will be results dot dat, to the semicolon, it will be n. And here you are using the fin, this is declared to be an object of if stream. This fin, whatever you declare, this is an object of what? If stream type, and it is made up of as representing the file. Okay, results dot dat. Okay, so and if you are writing another file should be text dot dat. Okay, and it will be for open for input purpose only. Okay, so these are the two opening the files. Okay, as for the output purpose and this is for the input purpose. So as we are using the output purpose as a off stream, okay, and for the input purpose we are using if stream. Both if stream and off stream of the class as I told you, that will be with the f stream. So this is the first type of opening your file using as with the two ways, that is inputting and the outputting. Okay, so as the second one, it is opening a file using open member function, that we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.